Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope everyone had a great weekend. And we're starting off Monday smoothly. I hope that's the deal of the day today, is that you have a smooth Monday, especially after daylight savings. We're all trying to adjust to the new schedule, but hey, it'll stay brighter later, so it means we can get more done with our day. So I'm excited about that. But today I wanted to jump on and go over the top 3 financial statements that business owners are using to grow their business and make sure they are abreast on how their business is operating and what their cash flow looks like. So if you don't know who I am, my name is Jayce and Anaya. I am owner and accountant of Hooked Accounting Services, and I've been helping business owners for the past 5 years with their books and staying current and compliant, and I look forward to helping more businesses understand their financials and really have a good grasp on how their business is performing so that they can grow and also spend more time doing the things that are important to them, like spending time with family, maybe going on vacation, perhaps saving more money. All those goals that we thought about when we started our business then kind of let fall to the wayside because we got engrossed in growing our business and servicing our clients to the best of our ability. So we want to come back around and focus on some of those goals that we set at the beginning. If you're watching live or the replay, please leave a comment on this live and just let me know that you're here. Tell me a little bit about yourself, and just let me know. This also will help bring my video further up in the Facebook algorithm so that I can reach more people and help more people and provide this free information to some people who aren't sure exactly what to do. QuickBooks offers a vast array of reports, and while some reports are great for your business, especially if you are doing different things with your business, you can drill down on reports very well in QuickBooks, but these top 3 are important for every business owner to follow. So let's jump right in and get started. The first financial statement I want to go over is the balance sheet. The balance sheet reflects the specific period in time. So if you're running the balance sheet from January of 2020, let's just say 2022, we want to reflect on last year. January 2022 to December of 2022. The numbers on that balance sheet are reflective of the December 31st, 2022 date. Whatever that last date is on the balance sheet is what those numbers are reflecting. So at the top of the balance sheet, you're going to have your liquid cash assets, your cash, like your petty cash, your bank accounts, savings accounts. Those accounts are going to be listed first. Then you're going to have your assets, any computers you have, vehicles, equipment that you may have. That is all listed at the top of the balance sheet. So that is all the assets you have in the business. Then the bottom of the balance sheet is your liabilities, which may be payroll, credit cards, loans, sales tax. All of those are listed in the liabilities on the balance sheet, and then the very bottom of the balance sheet is your equity accounts, the value you have in your business. And then your assets and your liabilities and equity have to equal. So if this is $500, then this end has to be $500 because accounting is a double-sided process. So that is the balance sheet. Remember, it reflects the amounts that are on that specific period, that specific date. The second financial statement that you need to be watching is your profit and loss statement. Profit and loss statement, or your statement of income, reflects the period that you run the report for. So let's go back to reviewing for 2022. If you're reviewing your profit and loss or income statement for January of 2022 to December of 2022, it's going to show you your totals for that entire period. The top of the profit and loss is your income. It also, under the income, has your cost of goods sold. If you have direct labor, if you have purchases for the services that you provide that are directly related to that service, that's going to be at the very top of your profit and loss. The income minus those costs, which are cost of goods sold, is your gross profit. That is the profit you are making directly off the services you provide and the cost of providing those services. The bottom of the statement of income and expenses, also known as the profit and loss, is all of your operating expenses, your rent, your advertising, your telephone, your insurance. All of those that are the cost of you doing business are your operating costs, and those are subtracted from your gross profit. And that gives you your net income or net loss at the bottom. So this is a statement we want to watch, and I like to run the profit and loss on a comparative basis. So if we're looking at the whole year of 2022, I'm going to compare that to the whole year of 2021. How did my income grow or maybe decrease? How are my costs of goods sold from one year to the next going down or increasing? And then my operating expenses, are they staying pretty accurate, pretty level? Maybe I saved money somehow, so those went down a little bit. You can also compare this on a quarterly and a monthly basis just by changing your date ranges at the top. So this is a really good indication of how you can measure your cost and your income each period, so that you know how your business is performing. Finally, the third top financial statement that business owners use and should be watched on a daily basis is your statement of cash flows. This is showing you the money that's coming in, the money that's going out, your beginning balance and your ending balance for that day. So as the owner of the business, you should know every day what money's coming in and what money's going out. If you watch this, you may catch some things that you probably shouldn't be paying for, right? Maybe there's some subscription that you used a year ago that isn't pertinent anymore. Maybe when you were closed down for the pandemic, it was something that you needed to have in order to operate being closed down. And now that you're back out and you're back on the roads or in the office, you don't need that expense anymore. Stop paying for it. Your cash flow statement is going to show you that that's happening. You can say, let's cancel that. We don't need that anymore. And that'll save you money. And those little things actually add up over time. So make sure and watch your statement of cash flows on a daily basis and know where your bank statement is at every moment. This is going to help you be more conscious and aware, and then your profit and loss is going to show you more accurate information about how your business is performing. I hope this was helpful. These are just 3 of the top reports that you should be watching, and then of course any other reports that you want to customize in QuickBooks to help you watch key indicators for your business. Those are also recommended, but make sure you're at least starting out by looking at your balance sheet, your statement of income and expenses, and your cash flow statements. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and I'd be happy to discuss this. If you need somebody to catch up your bookkeeping or do your bookkeeping, I do provide those services on a monthly or quarterly basis, and I'd be happy to discuss with you how we can work together and what that would look like and get you started so that you have these statements at your ready and you know what's happening in your business. I look forward to talking to you guys again next week, and also Friday is St. Patrick's Day, so I hope everyone has a good St. Patrick's Day, and if you're celebrating this weekend, just be safe, and I hope everyone has a wonderful week. I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.